horses out. We have Libre Lang beginning nicely at start. Sacred Hall in the middle. Moving up, Heroine. Danori inside comes Noti Tatata. Next on line comes Lirao. Passing before the judges stand. Sacred Hall by about 3 lengths. Noti Tatar in second. Moving up, Danori inside comes Kiss of the Wind. About 4 wide, Heroine. Moving up by the rail comes Libre Lang. Dane Hill Choi alongside Lirao. Next on line, Big Spender Bartolina. Then moving up is Sports Illustrated, Love in Touch. In behind them as they swing down the back, we have Sacred Hall by about 6 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Noti Tatata. Case of the Wind drives back in third. Heroine is still in fourth. Moving up Ori outside fifth comes Lirao. Libre Lang is down Ori inside 6. 7 Bartolina. Dane Hill Choi. 8, 9 Big Spender. 10 is Sports Illustrated and Love in Touch. And on a part turn, Sacred Hall this time by about 5 lengths. And in second, coming closer is Noti Tatata. As they come down at the last 200, Sacred Hall still in front, but this time by only 3 lengths. Noti Tatar in second, moving up by the rail. Now comes Heroine, Lirao is already outside. Sacred Hall, Heroine is already outside. And finally, it's a close finish. Lirao, Heroine, Sacred Hall.
Okay, so racing fans, meron tayong photo for first at the same time, meron tayong inquiry for first, no? Kaya hawakan nyo muna inyong mga tickets. Ulitin ko, photo for first, and also we have an inquiry for first placer. 18.5, 24, 25, 29, total time 136.8 para sa ating huling karera.
Ang tanong, sinong nagpo-photo para sa primero? Unang titimbang ang 7. Mukhang 7-11.
Parang ganon, no?
Oo. Diba?
May nagtatanong, Coach. Eh, pag ganyan tatlo ang involved sa photo, paano ngayon yun? Formula nyo ron. Paano ngayon? Sir, good evening po. Pakitanong kay Coach Leo, paano yung formula pag tatlo photo? Sabit na naman kayo ron.
Ganun pa rin yan.
Ay, ganun pa rin.
Oo. Tingnan muna natin ito. Isocam. Heroine ang ating matututukan.
Nagpanabayan to eh.
Oo. Tercero pwesto siya dyan. Segundo si Noti Tatat. Bandera pa rin si Sacred Hall.
Kailangan natin, Coach, tatapusin na ni Sacred Hall. Kaya lang, dito sa may last 100 meters ng ating karer, nag-faltered din. Itong si Sacred Hall. This slow-mo replay is brought to you by Catialis Ointment and Medicated Soap. Para sa kutis na totoong malinis, makinis at walang skin disease, gamitin lagi ang Catialis.
Ito naman ang kuha ng ating slow-mo. Sacred Hall, 25 meters to go. Sa gitna, itong si Heroine, kalabas-labasan, kalahok numero 11, Lirao. Tuloy na rin natin para yung dating ng Super 6 makita natin, no? So, yan nga. Mukhang lamang...
Libre, yun. Pumang-apat si Libre Lang, tapos Noti Tatat, at Bartolina.
Bartolina.
Okay. Yun, ang ating photo for first. Tingnan natin sa ating Isocam shot. Panabayan talaga si Lirao at Heroine. Nandun din si Sacred Hall. Tignan mo yung postura ng A.O. Camanyero sa meta. Nakatingin dun sa dalawa. Yan yung ating
talagang lamang ang 11 sa 6 at 7. Tama yung formula.
Oo nga. Tama nga. Minsan mo na naman akong pinahangarap ko.